Today I will show you how to make this insane grunge effect. Yo, it's Povikas here, and let's begin. Alright guys, so the first thing you'll want to do is press Ctrl Y to make a new adjustment layer. And now we can lower the quality to either half or third. I usually prefer third, but half is very good for this as well. And now let's start adding effects. So the first effect we'll add is S-Flicker. This effect requires the Sapphire plugin because it has S at the start. Here I don't change anything. Now let's add S-Grain. Here I like to make the color amplitude to 0.12 and the color frequency to 173. Now let's add levels. You don't need to add this. I like to make the input black to 25.5. But yeah, you don't need to have this. I just like to have it. And I think it adds to the grunge look, but I don't know. And now let's add signal. This is kind of an optional effect, but it just makes the look like more damaged. And let's go to Luma modulation, and here turn this off and this off. And also I like to make the cutoff filter to 3500 here. And I also like to make the signal strength to 200. Luma noise to 6 because it gives you some more noise, and I like that. Hue noise to 50, and the chroma loss to 0.6. Now let's add grain, and let's make the viewing mode to final output here, and the size I like to make this to 1.8. Of course you don't need to, but I kind of like it like this. And now let's add an optional effect as well, deep glow. I just like to have glow here, but of course don't make it like that glowy. Let's just make the glow to like 0.16 and the radius to 300. Now let's add CC vignette. Let's make the amount to 238. And the last effect, it's also not needed, is transform. I just want to make the scale a bit higher because I don't like the edges right here. So I'm going to make it to 102. It doesn't delete the whole edges. Actually, we can actually make it to like 102.5. Yeah, no, I like the look of this. Of course, mess around a lot here. This is how it looked before and after. This is a very cool grunge effect. And we can save this as a preset. So we can go to one of the effects, press Ctrl A, go to animation, save animation preset. And here we can call it like, I don't know, insane grunge effect. And press save, and whenever you want to add this effect, you'll just be able to go to effects and presets and type insane grunge effect and add it. And yeah, you can mess around a lot more with this effect, but yeah, we can actually add more effects to customize this or to make this cooler. I would really recommend to check out my povikas.com website, where I have other sort of like these grunge effects for my Opium presets pack. That pack is basically just like a dark grunge pack. So if you guys have the Opium presets pack, then you can go here, and there you'll see over 50 presets if you download it, and we can press Ctrl Y and just add some of these effects. So like for example, we can add OPM 11 here. It's very dark, so let's make it to half, and also add it on top of the insane grunge effect, or however we call it. You won't even see like the glow now. It's just gonna be very edgy, just an insane look. This is how it looked before and after. I mean, that is a crazy comparison. I sometimes can't believe how good these effects are. And yeah, and also like if you added V2 is like a dark version of this, very opium, like super opium. Yeah, you can mess around with more of these effects. I just showed you two, so there are plenty of more. I also have a $5 discount code for the Opium Presets pack, which is called Povikas. But yeah guys, that's about it for the video. It was fun. Have a fun and productive day. See ya.